What if you could take a collection of different images, a character from one, a background from another, a specific prop from a third, and instantly merge them into a single, cohesive, high-quality video? Today, I'm showing you the brand new, just-launched feature from Vidu, the Vidu Q1 model reference to video. This is their latest and most powerful update, and it's going to change how you create. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough of this new tool, show you some of Vidu's other amazing features, and give you a special code for extra credits. Let's get started. Vidu released this amazing reference to video feature back last year, and it was the very first in the AI video generation market. Recently, they finally had their most powerful Q1 model ready for the reference to video feature. You can now upload up to 7 different reference images to guide your video creation. Think about it. You can define a specific character, the exact scene, and even keep props all from separate images. Vidu's AI then intelligently blends these elements together based on your text prompt, maintaining incredible consistency and style. Let's think like a filmmaker. What if you have a vision for a scene that would be impossible or incredibly expensive to shoot? Let's say I'm creating a commercial for a custom electric car. I want a shot of it driving on Mars. Instead, I will open Vidu website and make sure I'm in the Reference to Video tab and Q1 model is selected. Now I'll upload my reference images. I'll select all 3, the car, the driver, and the Mars landscape, and upload them. Now I'll engage Pro Mode to get some more advanced options. I'll use the Optimize feature to let Vidu refine my prompt for the best results. Okay, it's updated the prompt to be much more descriptive, separating the subject from the environment. It's added details like red dust plumes and a stark reminder of the car's home. That's perfect. Down in the main settings, I'll keep the duration at 5 seconds, the resolution at 1080p, and the aspect ratio at 16:9. I would like to see 2 results for this generation, and everything looks good. Let's hit create. As you can see, the job has been submitted and is now in the queue. Vidu is processing it, and after just a moment, it's done. Let's take a look at the final result. Wow, a stunning cinematic shot of the specific silver car cruising across Mars. The lighting is dramatic, dust kicks up from the wheels, and the shot looks like something from a blockbuster movie. I can even download it right here with or without a watermark. This is a game changer. You can use this to create animated storyboards, test visual concepts, or even generate final shots for a project. And while reference to video gives you amazing control, Vidu has other powerful features. It excels at generating video from text alone. You can create everything from cinematic, realistic styles to diverse anime styles with amazing clarity and minimal distortion. It also has a powerful image to video feature. By giving the AI a starting and ending frame, you can create incredibly smooth and stable camera movements that look fantastic. So go try this amazing reference to video feature for yourself. Be sure to sign up using the link and my unique code in the description to get extra credits on sign up. Thank you so much for watching. I'm genuinely excited to see what you all create with the new reference to video feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.